universal design does help more than the community that it was intended for. The most effective technology is customized to the individual.
All people within the United States have to have access to education and, more importantly, access to other activities of daily living, which is the main motivation for developing assistive technology.
Work up universal design-based solutions which can be making things easier for a whole broad spectrum of the population, including various disabilities.
Why are usability tests and accessibility tests separate processes? If you wish to be an assistive technology developer, but you spend most of your time asking clinicians and caregivers what to build, you are not ever going to make something a disabled person finds personally empowering or useful.
When you build a product or service or an environment, people with disabilities and the needs of people with disabilities should be considered from the start, into the main product, into the main environment.
Build it right in from the earliest design phase. Any mainstream technology that's going to influence our society and get into people's hands should be built to be accessible from the earliest moment, straight through to launch, and every time it's updated.
It's an investment for all of us to build accessible products. Who wouldn't want to have a hands-free technology? Who wouldn't want to have a convenient application that is easy to perceive and understand and navigate through?
Different approaches to problems arrive at the best solutions. And those best solutions can be achieved by the greatest diversity of problem solvers. Really, I show this to state the obvious. Assistive technology allows us to conduct and complete tasks that we would otherwise not be able to perform. Whether we're disabled or not, we actually use assistive technology daily.
Think about the fact that, as you are being customized and thinking about a specific population, there's so many more people that you can liberate in other ways. That's the beauty of universal design. Even if universal design is not exactly universal, you can still create so many things that make ripples and make a difference in terms of the way people live.
True innovation and creativity comes from designing spaces, products, environments for a better user experience for all.